Hello, I'm Gucema. As per my YouTube network, at the moment I want to give you an idea or to show you how you can enjoy free networks everywhere and anytime. Using your phone, go to Play Store, then then download an app known as free Wi-Fi map. Now, know that the app that I'm talking about is this one with 4.5 ratings, downloaded by 50 million people with 70 megabytes. You install it, click on install. Now, as the app install, remember this app, it is used to show you or to locate places where you can get free Wi-Fi networks. Remember, you have some places like hospitals, churches, airports, shops, and many others which offer free Wi-Fi. And how will you know that there is a place, or if you are in a certain area, there is a free network which you can use to perform all your internet services using your phone? So you use this app to locate you or to locate every free networks around you. Now, after installing the app, click open. I open the app. Then, after opening the app, you have to accept the terms and the conditions. So I have to click I accept. Then there are some other details here which you have to click next, then again next. Then, since this app is used to show you the closest free Wi-Fi networks around you, it uses your location. So you have to enable the location. So I click enable location. Always, you know that after accepting the app to locate your location, you can try this app for free, or you can sign, or you can continue without subscribing. So in my case, or if it will be also on your case, continue without subscribing. You know that the app has opened and it has already displayed the free Wi-Fi hotspot around you. These are all the free Wi-Fi around me. You can zoom when you want to locate or to know if you are on a place with free Wi-Fi. You can zoom, you have, these are the places offering free Wi-Fi networks around you. Now, you know that when you want to choose the Wi-Fi around you and you want to use it, when, for example, I would like to use the first one displayed on my location. When you click on it, if the Wi-Fi has got some passwords, when you click on it, it will display the passwords, so you have no game, or you have no time to go and ask the passwords. You just copy and paste to use the network. Now, When I click here, you know that many people around the globe are using it. These are the people. You can be counted as one as well. When you want to go live to see the number, these are the updated number of people's, the connections, the Wi-Fi connections all over the world. Those, when you click there, you know that this is just to show you where free Wi-Fi map is used. Then when you click here, this one will show you the other networks, other Wi-Fi networks around your area. Know that these apps may be, these networks, sorry, they may be not registered on free Wi-Fi, but you can register them by yourself, which will be another tutorial how you can register your free Wi-Fi for it to be used or to be traced by other people. But at the moment, you can use the available, which are displayed, which are found by your app as we continue, or as we continue adding many other networks around the globe. Now, if you have enjoyed my tutorial, I would urge you to go to my YouTube channel, go and subscribe for you to get more and many other tutorials. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining. Let's meet again on the next tutorial. Thank you.